open and overhead bins to avoid injury from items that may have shifted during flight. In the next few hours, you may receive an email survey from Delta. We welcome and value your feedback and use your responses to continually improve your travel experience. We invite you to download and use the Flight Delta app for all your future travel needs, including checking in for a flight and managing your SkyMiles account. As you plane, please remember to take a look around your seat and make sure you have everything you brought aboard. On behalf of Delta and this Atlanta-based crew, we'd like to thank each of you for wearing your mask or face covering over your nose and mouth throughout the flight, keeping us all safe. We've enjoyed having you on board and look forward to seeing you soon. Have a wonderful day.